Another real quick video. This time we were a little bit artsy. Well, she was artsy.
You were too.
Not too much. If you guys notice, we have a big blank wall behind us here above our bed. We wanted to put something there, but we're running into some issues.
Yeah, first we cannot go out. We usually go to see places like Ross, TJ Maxx, because we don't want to spend a lot of money. But now we decided just to order some canvas in Amazon and just to create our own art.
Yep, we had some extra time. Obviously, a lot of us do at home right now. We couldn't go, like she said, to the stores to buy stuff, so we decided to make some ourselves. And we think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, I hope you like it.
It looks good. So, during this little short video, you're gonna see us turn our wall from this to this. All right, let's get started. We started by sketching a general layout of what we had in mind. Then we wanted to make sure we got it right over the center of our bed. And once we found the center of the bed, we found the center of our middle row. Once we found our center, we cut out paper that was the exact size of the canvas that we were using, taped them up to the wall so that we can have a visual idea of what it was going to look like when it was done. We thought it would be kind of cool to have some of our colors follow very strict rules and not go to the edge of the canvas while other artwork went across. So we taped off them so that it would have a clean line about the width of the painter's tape.
What a reveal!
And this is my contribution to the artwork. The idea was to put the colors down and then to do the actual drawings on top to kind of have an abstract-like style to our work. When it was time to hang it up, I used one of the canvas as a spacer to make sure there was the same distance in between all of them and hung them up on the wall. Here's the final product. Alright, so we hope you guys like it. I think it looks really good. My wife did almost all of the work on it.
Well, if you think it's not like your style or if it's too messy, you can do whatever you like. I think that was actually perfect for us because we only have like white walls in here. So like a little messy and colorful, it matches pretty good.
Yep, we don't have really any color in here except the black furniture and the blue blanket that we're sitting on here. So the nice splashes of color up there kind of break it up, I think. How much do you think that it cost us in total?
Like $20.
Yeah, so like $20 for the supplies, including the paint and stuff, and then a couple hours of drawing and painting and planning and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So really pretty simple to do. They're just really normal geometric shapes that kind of anybody can paint, I think.
Yeah, you can see like options in Pinterest to have like a little inspiration. Like we did.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, well that's it.
Hope you like it.
Hope you guys like it, and as always, like, comment, please do subscribe. I was looking at the stats and I think almost 90% of people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. It's a lot. So please subscribe, that'll help us out, and we'll get more videos to you. Give us some more ideas on new videos and stuff like that. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Alright, love you guys.
¿Qué hace, mamita?